In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF into Google Sheets effectively and easily. This is particularly helpful when you're working with simple tables or text-based PDFs. Let's walk through the steps together so that you can make this as seamless as possible. First, you need to upload your PDF file to Google Drive. To do this, open Google Drive in your browser. If you're not already signed in, enter your account details for access. Once in Google Drive, you can simply drag and drop your PDF file into the window, or you can use the New button, located on the upper left side, and choose File Upload to select your PDF. Watching the upload progress is fairly straightforward. Your PDF will appear under My Drive once it's done. Next, right-click on your newly uploaded PDF. This will present you with a menu of options. Look for Open With, then select Google Docs from the submenu. Now here's where Google works its magic. It will automatically convert your PDF text into editable content within Google Docs. This powerful feature allows you to manipulate the text easily, though it does the best job with simpler layouts. Once you've opened the PDF in Google Docs, you'll see your table content displayed. Your primary goal here is to copy the table data. Simply highlight the content you need by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text. Then right-click and choose Copy, or use the handy shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Now it's time to head over to Google Sheets. Open a new or existing spreadsheet where you want this table data to be. Then click into the cell where you'd like to start pasting your table content. Right-click again and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to drop the data into Google Sheets. And there you go, you now have your PDF content right in your spreadsheet, ready for further use or analysis. A quick note about limitations. You might find that formatting breaks when dealing with complex tables, scanned PDFs, or documents with multi-column layouts. If you're encountering any of these, you may need to manually adjust things once the file is in Google Sheets. This includes fixing column widths or rearranging misplaced data, but for simple and text-rich PDFs, this method does a fantastic job of maintaining consistency throughout. By following these steps, you can simplify the task of converting your PDFs to Google Sheets. Don't worry if it feels a bit tricky at first. With practice, it gets easier to perfect. Keep watching our channel for more guides, and happy spreadsheet editing.